growls in my tummy. I crave something, and I don't know what it is.
Well, Henery, you're a big boy now. We'd better have a little talk.
Okay, Pop. What do you want to know?
You see, Henry, your mother and I are outcasts. Hated and hunted because of what we are. Chicken hawks. And you, Henry, you're a chicken hawk, too. And like all chicken hawks, you crave to eat a chicken.
Eat a chicken? Is that bad? That's for me. Someday I guess I'd better learn to fly.
Every day it's the same thing.
Did you lose something? I say, did you lose something, kid?
I'm a chicken hawk. I'm after my first chicken.
A chicken, eh? Well, I'm a horse. I say I'm a horse myself. But I've seen a chicken. I say I've seen a chicken around here. Pay attention, Sonny. Somewhere. Chicken? Chicken, oh yes, there's a chicken. I say there's a chicken for you. This boy doesn't pay attention. Nice four-legged chicken. Go on over. I say go on over and taste him, kid. You'll like him.
Ooh, that's the biggest chicken ever I seen. So round, so firm, so fully packed. Are you coming quietly, or do I have to muss you up? Oh, you ain't so little.
I've told you, Henry, why you're too little to hunt chickens with me.
You mean on account of what you was telling me that chickens are great big monsters?
Yep,
They got big sharp teeth and they live in caves?
that's right.
And they fight like demons?
Right.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go get some.
You're not going, and that's that.
A fine thing. I'm a chicken hawk and I never even seen a chicken. Well, I'm gonna get my first chicken today, and that's that.
You'll probably hate me for what I'm gonna do, but after all, I am a chicken hawk. Unhand those fair barnyard flowers. What's going on here? Well, I don't stand there with your beak open. Say something. Explain yourself. Your tongue's flapping, but no noise is coming out of your big mouth. Now get out and stay out. Scram, that is.
Hey, was that a chicken, Pop?
A chicken? Of course not. Do you think I'd let a chicken do that to me? That's just a loudmouth snook.
A snook? Well, I'm not after snooks. I'm after a chicken. Gee, this must be a chicken's cave. Gosh, listen to that monster. That sounds like an awful big chicken. This'll bring him down to my size.
Now there's a strange means of locomotion. I say, son, what's the gimmick? What's it all about?
I just caught myself a chicken.
Chicken? I say, that's no chicken, son. I'm a chicken. Rooster, that is.
Don't give me that. You're not a chicken.
What am I then, boy?
You're a loudmouth snook.
Look here, son. I'm no loudmouth snook. This is a dog, not a chicken. Chickens don't look like dogs. Who told you this was a chicken, son? Nice boy, but doesn't listen to a word you say. You got a bum steer, son. I'm a chicken, not a snook. You're wrong, son.
Snook. Snook.
Let's bury the hatch. I say, let's bury the hatchet. But not in anyone's head, boy. Hatchet head. That's a joke, boy. You missed it. Went right past you. You gotta keep on your toes. Toes, that is. The fast ones get right by you. Keep your ears open. Yappity, yappity, yap. I can't get a word in edgeways. Talk, talk, talk. But no wonder you're not sharp. You gotta always listen. Shut up!
I'm not sure, but this might be a chicken.
What's the gag, son? Gag, that is. Where are we taking me, boy? Speak up.
I'm a chicken hawk, and I'm out to get my first chicken. And you're it.
Me, a chicken? I'm no chicken. I say I'm no chicken, son. A chicken has black fur all over him. Black fur, that is. Now there's a chicken for you. But they're sharp. Those chickens are tricky. You gotta outsmart them. Now here's a trick. I say here's a trick egg. Get in it, son. Inside, that is. You can get right under them this way. Get right to them and get a good grip on them. Open the window, Richard. That's why it's here. Now stop gawking and pay attention. Now I'll put you underneath the chicken. Suffering success. I'm a mother. A rock-a-bye baby on a slippery top. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. I see you laid an egg. Wonderful thing being a mother. Hey, tomcats can't be mothers. Cats don't lay eggs. There's something screwy here. A step and presto, I lays an egg. Presto, and he lays an egg. And to think, for 15 years I've been doing it the hard way.
It's nothing but a little old lint-picking weasel. What's the matter, boy? You hungry? Why waste your time on a tough old bud like me?
how would you like to sink your greedy little choppers into some delicious venison? Yeah. You wait right there. Yeah. Anybody can bowl on the green. I'm gonna bowl on the white. There's your venison, boy. Go get him. Pay attention, boy. I'm cutting, but you ain't bleeding. Go get him. Like beating a dead horse. He's got no get up and go. Hey, what's the idea munching on my instep? Oh, so that's it, eh? A wise guy, huh? Look, Sonny, how would you like some chicken's eye frozen chicken? Well, come on, be my guest. Make way for the king of the road! Yahoo! Eat hearty, boy. I got a splitting headache. The screwball in the back pocket. Yow! Hey, boy, it's seal season. There's an S in December. There's your seal. Go get him. Go. That boy's as strong as an ox. And just about as smart. Oh, you stupid little idiot! I'm a dog. D-O-G, dog. What you want is a chicken. R-A-T, chicken. Whee! Look, I'm flying! Say, boy, wouldn't you rather have some delicious dog soup? Well, in that case, adios, you chicken-plucking little stinker. Here, don't let him get away. Go get him. Now I won't have anything to worry about till the 4th of July, that is.
Are there any of these pheasants around here?
Why, of course, son. You come with me and I'll show you a pheasant. Quiet, boy. We're nearing the pheasant country. Now, there's a pheasant's house. He's inside.
Gosh, I was talking to a pheasant and didn't know it.
Here, whomp this down over him and you got a pheasant on the glass. Hold still, boy, while I get this vanishing cream on you. It's gonna make you invisible so the pheasant can't see you. Where'd you go, boy? I say, you plumb vanished.
Here I am, over here, here I am.
I know you're around, boy. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Oh, it don't matter none. Go get the pheasant. He won't see you neither. Nice mannered, kid, just a little on the dumb side.
Oh, boy, nobody can see me. I'll fix that old pheasant. I got you now. I'm the invisible hawk. You can't see me. I might be 20 feet tall. You can't fight what you can't see. I got you now, you nincompoop.
You can't quit now, son. You come from a long line of fighting hawks. There was a hawk at Bunker Hill, with John Paul Jones, with Washington at Yorktown, and at Gettysburg.
Bring on the pheasant. Where is he? Take that, you old pheasant, and that, and this, and that. I have not yet begun to fight. Okay, pheasant, your time has come.
Pheasant schmeasant. What are you, a pheasant hawk?
No, I'm a chicken hawk.
So what's with pheasants? You need a chicken. Unhook my collar. I'll show you how to get a chicken.
I've been hornswoggled.